All right, how's it going, everyone? So we are here at the Arizona Veterans Memorial Coliseum. Behind me, you also got the carnival, which is going on right now. So the carnival is separated. Everything's secure, as you can see behind me. There is fencing, which is blocking unauthorized people from getting in. There's lots of law enforcement around. Just over there talking to some of the guys, so everything's secure, no issues, which is great. But it's interesting to see what's happening because Arizona Secretary of State Katie Hobbs, under the guise of bringing observers, brought two people in, right, to observe, right? One from Protect Democracy and the other one from the Brennan Center for Justice. Very left-wing DC people or DC groups that they're bringing in right now to observe the audit, right? So you know there's going to be some DC money that's going to be backing any challenge that they're going to be doing to the audit. So it's just an ongoing saga right now, guys. I mean, literally it's just ongoing. It's one thing after another, and they're trying to delay. And like I've said before, it just makes them seem more guilty by the fact that they're delaying the audit, or attempting to. So obviously there's a secure perimeter. Not allowed to go there. Credentialed media are going in over there and a couple different other locations. But like I was telling some of the guys there, I was like, you know, I kind of want to go in and just get video of the media being super biased and unprofessional and like zooming in, because a lot of those guys were just zooming in on ballots, right? They're not supposed to be doing that. They're zooming on faces of people and the ballots themselves and the computers in there to see what's going on. So it's like, they're not supposed to be doing that, and they can actually get kicked out for that if they get caught. You know, if they can criminally trespass people that are in there right now, and that's what law enforcement told me. Like, if they're doing anything illegal, they're not supposed to be doing, they can trespass them from the building and up to criminally, right? That means they're going to jail. So pretty interesting stuff. Like I said, very secure audit going on there. They got a full recount and an audit going on in the Arizona Veterans Memorial Coliseum. Again, got a carnival here too. So even with the carnival, very secure, right? So when people are saying that this is not secure, it's very secure. Just don't listen to people that are saying otherwise, because they're lying to you. They are absolutely lying to you. So it'll be interesting again to see what happens the next couple days with the court hearings. We did hear that the judge potentially has a conflict of interest, like I mentioned before, working from that firm, which is basically suing the state right now. So it'll be interesting to see where that goes. Nothing's happened on that front yet, but I'm sure that's one of the cards in the Senate playbook is let's get another judge in. But the other thing is the audit hasn't been stopped yet. They've tried to stop it. You know, Cyber Ninjas actually went and provided information that they were asking for about their procedures, right? But no, nothing happened, right? Nothing nefarious is going on, like I said. So they're still complaining. You can't appease them. But again, it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens the next couple days, and you know, we'll see. We will most certainly see what's going on. I think the audit will continue despite the calls for now getting the federal government involved, and the federal government is trying to get involved right now, or at least Katie Hobbs is trying to get them involved, which not her role to do, right? There's separation of powers, and she's trying to inject the federal government in a state affair, right? I personally think she should step down as Secretary of State and let someone else take over who is nonpartisan that can do the job. But again, the fact that they keep delaying and trying to stop the audit, to most people looks like guilt. So once we have the results back, the legislature will make their move, right, on how to stop any potential wrongdoing from happening in the next election cycle. And then again, there's that constitutional debate on where, you know, whether or not they're able to stop the ballot, right? They're to not overturn, because you guys are yelling in the comments for me, to correct the election. If the Supreme Court didn't want to act on the basically allegations at the time and evidence that there was fraud. I don't know if they're going to now because Biden's already taken office. That's a huge constitutional question, and I'm not a lawyer. So, again, be very interested to see what happens, but I'm going to go do some interviews right now. Stay classy, everyone. Just wanted to give you an update, and then I'll be back tomorrow, see if I can get on that press conference, and I'll talk to y'all later.